Manipulation statements. The code below is a SQL statement. SQL. A statement is the text that the database recognises as a valid command. Statements always end with a semicolon. Create table. Put the table name in there where it says table name. Create a column. Data type, integer, text, etc. With a semicolon at the end. Let's break down the components of a statement. Create table is a clause. Clauses perform specific tasks in SQL. By convention, clauses are written in capital letters, be referred to as commands. Table name refers to the name of the table that the command is applied to. Column 1, data type. Column 2, data type. Column 3, data type is a parameter. So think of Excel and columns and rows. So the first column will be A, the second column will be B, the third column will be C. The first column, or the first row, sorry, will be 1, the second row will be 2, the third row will be 3. A parameter is a list of columns, data types, or values that are passed to a clause as an argument. Here the parameter is a list of column names and the associated data type. The structure of SQL statements vary. The number of lines used doesn't matter. A statement can be written all in one line or split up across multiple lines if it makes it easier to read. In this course you'll become familiar with the structure of common statements. Let's take a closer look at the statement we wrote before in the code editor type. Select star means select all from celebs table. Run the code to observe the results and ask yourself which part of the statements are the clauses. What table are we applying the command to? Uncover the hint to review the answers and then proceed to the next exercise. So, name, type. The query didn't return any results. Make sure the statement ends in a semicolon. Oh, see, right. Of course it didn't. So, select. So with shift key, type in select. Shift key again, number 8. Select all from celebs table, semicolon, run. There we go, sorted. So, select and from are the clauses. So select all. So select is a clause, from is a clause. So it could be select all from celebrities where name is Justin. Right, where? I don't know. Name equals Justin. Yeah, that's not how you do it. Something like that, but I'll remember. We'll go for there to there. Create statements allow us to create a new table in a database. You can use the create statement anytime you want to create a new table from scratch. The statement below creates a new table named celebrities. So create table celebs, which will create a table called celebs, and it'll be an ID, it'll be a number, integer. Name will be text, age will be an integer, age will be a number. Create table is a clause that tells SQL you want to create a new table. Celebs is the name of the table. ID integer, name text, and age integer is a list of parameters defining each column or attribute in the table of its data type. ID is the first column in the table. It stores values of the data type integer. Name is the second column in the table. It stores values of data type text. Age is the third column in the table. It stores values of table data type integer. Now that you have a good understanding of SQL syntax, we can create a new table. We've cleared the database from the previous exercise. Confirm no celebs table exists by entering select all from celebs. Right, we'll do that in a minute.